Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to change the payment options for someone that's placing an online order. So if we go to the admin portal, which is hrpos.heartland.us, and we go to our menu here at the top left, location setup, online ordering, and then there's an online ordering tab. If we scroll down a little more than halfway, we've got carry out payment types. Your options are credit card, or in person, or both. Now, if you choose credit card, that's going to force the user to pay only by credit card. So it's going to require credit card payment before the order is sent to your store. If you do in person, that's only going to allow them to pay in the store. So that means anybody can go on there and place an order, and there is a chance that they don't pick it up. At least with this one, with credit card, you've got the payment. So if they don't show up, that's on them, and you don't lose anything. With this one, they place it, decide not to show up. Now you have the food waste. Some places like to do both. Give you an option to pay with credit card, but also if you want to pay with cash, then you can come into the store and pay with cash. Whatever change you make here, or whatever selection you make sure you scroll down to the bottom and hit save. And then don't forget to publish changes. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.